Hey guys, this is my new Maytag MED model number MED6630 HW. I got this about a little more than a month ago, but I have literally used it about 7 to 10 times, and now it's making some weird noises. I called Maytag, and they told me it's under warranty. They're gonna send a repair person to take a look at it, but they say if they don't find any problems, then I'm gonna end up paying $120 for them to come and look at it. But the problem I'm having right now is if I turn it on, it makes some weird noises. So, and this is less than 10 uses, so that's kind of like I don't know what you call it, vibration noise or some kind of like a rattling, or I don't know what you call it, like maybe almost like a machine gun kind of noise. So very disappointed because this is a new unit, and I mean, you don't, although they're gonna send someone to fix it, but you don't want anything to happen like this when you buy a brand new unit, you know. It doesn't have to be fixed. This is supposed to last for years and years. That kind of vibrate, like a, it's not a vibration noise, it's like almost like a machine gun kind of noise. Again, something doesn't seem right, so I guess before you buy this Maytag, think about it, you know. You don't want anything like this to happen when you buy a brand new unit, which is supposed to last for 10-20 years. After the repair guy comes this Friday, I'm gonna post what they find and what they end up doing. So please check the description down below to see what's the outcome of the repair guy coming to take a look at this. It's very sad it's making this kind of rattling or machine gun kind of noise. Alright, check the description on what they find, and we'll see. Very disappointed with Maytag right now.